Okay friends, just open your settings application. Okay, then select camera from the left side. Okay, you can see here formats, the second option. Click on formats. Okay, then you can select high efficiency or most compatible. If you select high efficiency, your video file is not working on your computer. Okay, that means editing. If you select most compatible, that means you can use your recorded video in any device like your Android device or iPad device, even Windows PC. So okay, if you are recording on most efficiency and you copy your file to your Windows computer and you try to edit that files in some video editors, that files do not show. You can play with your media player, but you cannot edit that file. So the first settings that if you buy a new mobile or new iPad, you must change these settings to most compatible. So in this way you can save your files. Otherwise you need to convert your files for working or editing the files from any other devices. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.